Department of Navy. Well, what's it look like as we look over the horizon? What do you see?
Yeah, sure thing. I think for the next couple of years, really the focus is going to be predominantly on data integration, data fusion, and then making that data available to the customers of the data, decreasing the time to market, as it will, from where the data is created to the data is consumed for decisions, and creating, I hate to say this, it's a little cliche, that single pane of glass. But give commanders the data they need, when they need it, where they need it. And then one of the unique things, which I think Ron probably shares and Michael's familiar with, which is the DoD is in an environment that is bandwidth constrained in many cases. We have a highly expeditionary workforce, not quite Mars rover expeditionary. But the point being is, most folks in the commercial world are used to cloud type technologies and broadband and always on connectivity. We do have a lot of folks who may not have any network connectivity at all. They might have very limited connectivity. They might be disconnected for a large period of times and have to resynchronize with the network. So the capturing the disadvantage, the what we call the DDIL environment, and getting the data to the folks that need it, that are in those disadvantaged environments, is going to be a big push for us. And so that requires us to do a lot of what I call traffic shaping, or wave shaping, in terms of what data goes where, when, as well as prioritization. So is the Facebook page the first thing you want to download when the submarine surfaces? I would suspect not. But I suppose that's a localized commander's decision if you want to say that or not. But so that's where integrating the data, and rather giving bulk data sets, right, giving the integrated or even the pre-processed data to the commanders, and then whenever they're uploading, say, sensor data, for example, to us, do we need the entire sensor suite or just the things that are important about the capture of the sensor? So those are the things that we're really struggling with over the next probably 5 years, I would say.